Oh.
Hey.
Oh, sorry. I went
over me. I want to.
I'm sorry, sir. I did a lot of blow last night. I went on a bendy. So I just have to.
Sorry, you need to go. You need to get out of it. I'm going to report you. Without turning, you sneezed right into me.
I'm sorry. Here, let me wipe it for you.
Yeah.
Oh, you have a beautiful neck, sir.
Man, what the fuck, man?
It was, bro.
Hey, man, that fucking silly shit, man. Don't do that shit. Instagram bullshit, man. Don't do that. I'm a grown ass man.